Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful French omelette. A classic French omelette has very few ingredients, so make sure to buy some really good ones and let them shine. The prep work for this dish is very minimal and easy. The first thing we are going to do is to finely cut some chives and put them in a bowl. Although this ingredient is completely optional, I think it gives a really nice aroma to this whole dish. I'm making a bigger omelette, but normally you would use about 2 to 3 eggs per person. Now crack the eggs into the same bowl and season them with salt and a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. One trick I like to use that I've seen in J. Kenji Lopez Alt's videos is to add some small knobs of butter to the egg mixture. This makes the omelette even richer and prevents overcooking the eggs. The last step is to whisk up this mixture really well with a fork, and then we can already head over to the stove. Place a medium-sized non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add a big knob of butter to it. When it's sizzling like this, you know that the pan is hot enough. I turned down the heat a bit, but raised it to 7 out of 9 after adding the eggs. Once the butter has melted, add your egg mixture and start shaking your pan and whisking constantly with a silicone whisk, chopsticks, or any other cooking utensil that won't hurt the non-stick coating of your pan. You could also use a fork if you manage to stay above the surface of the pan if you're confident. After about 1 minute of constantly whisking, the eggs should look something like this. Now you want to take a spatula to loosen the omelette on the sides a little bit. Next, bang against the handle of your pan a little bit to move the omelette up on the side. This makes taking it out in one piece a little easier. I normally roll it in from the other side so I don't have to turn the omelette 180 degrees, but I guess not everything can go perfectly with the camera running. Now take your plate in one hand and hold the pan in the other one like this and carefully transfer the omelette onto it. Now you should end up with a beautiful looking soft omelette with no browning on the outside. Just look how amazing the inside of this omelette is. It's very soft, maybe even a little runny, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Serve it next to some vegetables and some toasted bread, and there you have one of my favorite breakfast meals of all time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye bye!